I think AI offers banks a lot of opportunities. Chief among them is the ability to really excel in ways that matter for the customers that they serve. And this is not like indistinguishable from being able to create shareholder value as well. I mean, you think about the types of efficiencies that artificial intelligence offers to bankers today. You're thinking about knowledge efficiency, process efficiency, so the ability to really be able to serve their customers with the kinds of financial advice that they're looking for at the moment when they need it, but also the ability to coordinate and work behind the scenes across departments in order to be able to get the kinds of insights that they need to really just be able to provide better services to the market. When you're thinking about doing a cost-benefit analysis, apart from the direct licensing costs that you should expect from a technology implementation, there are two critical areas that I think every financial institution should take into consideration. Number one is data maintenance, and number two is change management. AI is trained on data, it runs on data, so if you're feeding bad quality data into your AI machine, you're not going to get the kind of results that you need in order to be able to rely on the outputs. And in addition to data maintenance, you also need to worry about change management. AI fundamentally alters the way that employees work across business lines and also the way that employees interact with customers. But change management, it takes an investment of time, it takes a coordination across departments, and it really takes like your entire business putting together the kinds of resources that your employees need to understand what the expectations are when it comes to working with this new technology. But if you have the right data plan in place and you have empowered employees in the loop, then AI has been proven to deliver remarkable results, better banking all around. With some of these newer AI technologies, like generative AI, they have completely rewritten the rules around time to value. So within 1 month, some of these technologies have demonstrated the ability to imitate human intelligence, to provide creative answers to questions. I mean, some people call it magic, but in reality, it's math. And there are financial institutions around the world and across this country that are utilizing AI technologies today to deliver better customer service, to deliver more efficient transactions, and really to level up. Some of the banks that we work with today are using artificial intelligence to do things like maximize their profitability on a loan-by-loan basis without sacrificing their market advantage. This is really phenomenal technology that can deliver the kinds of results that you need today in order to be competitive. When you're thinking about where artificial intelligence can have the most impact, bring the most benefits to your bank, and have the most return on investment, I think you first have to start with market expectations. The market really expects artificial intelligence to turbocharge productivity. And by every measurable indicator of performance, it's doing just that. So efficiency is really a safe bet. What I think is more interesting about the potential return on investment that you can get from artificial intelligence is really around the ability to level up your skilled labor. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way that your employees work with knowledge resources, the way they access insights, and truly the way that they're able to comprehend what technology can do for them. So when they're working alongside it, right? This is when you're getting the most value out of any technology that you implement. In terms of what AI can deliver, it's absolutely efficiency. It's also benefits like error reduction. But where I feel like artificial intelligence has the most potential for return on investment is being able to level up skilled labor, that knowledge efficiency.